Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pay yourself from your company. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who maybe want to start setting up their payroll for themselves, but make sure to keep in mind to do your own research. Anything said in this video shouldn't be construed as financial advice. But let's go ahead and get started. And first, let me actually explain to you what the difference is between an LLC, sole proprietorship, and S corporation election, because you may have heard of these terms before. So an LLC is basically just going to protect your personal assets and separate your business assets from your personal assets. Sole proprietorship, it's the simplest structure. There's no legal distinction between your personal and business assets. Now as an S corporation, this is available to LLCs and it's going to help you save money on self-employment taxes. So the income from an S corporation election is split into two things, a salary and dividends. So for our example, and by the way, you probably will start saving money if your tax savings or your LLC profits exceed $40,000 to $50,000 per year. But with an S corporation election, this is just an example calculation. As a sole business owner with an LLC, let's say you make a net profit of $100,000. If you were to file as a sole proprietorship taxation, the entirety of your $100,000 would be subject to self-employment tax. So for our example, we're going to say 15%, which means that your total self-employment tax is going to be around $15,000. Now, if you were to file as an S corporation taxation, $60,000 can be sent to you as a salary and $40,000 can be sent to you as dividends. So the salary subject to self-employment tax, 15% of $60,000 is going to come out to $9,000. The dividend portion, which is the $40,000 here, is not subject to self-employment tax, which means that $15,000 compared to $9,000, you're going to save around $6,000 in self-employment taxes. Now, the reason why this is important is because you need to set yourself up on payroll. So this $60,000 as a reasonable salary, that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. And in order to do that, we're going to use Gusto, okay? Gusto is a payroll HR benefits tool. It's very simplified. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses. I've been using it for the past 4 years and I only pay like $45 a month for it. So it's absolutely fantastic. So if you use my link down below, you'll actually get $100 sent to you once you run your first payroll. But click on the link down below and then click on create an account. And then you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. So on this page, you just need to fill out your first name, last name, number of employees, company name, set a password, etc. So once you fill out that information, you're going to be prompted to create your company profile. So you simply just have to answer these questions. Who is your company planning to pay with on Gusto? So select with who. Next, how does your company currently run payroll? Select the right choice. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? Yes or no. Do you have a company bank account? Yes or no. In which states do you work? Okay, so input the state. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no. Next, what industry are you in? So you simply just connect or select the industry that closely resembles yours and then answer yes or no. Is your company a cannabis related business? Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? Yes or no. And then lastly, what's your desired first payday with Gusto? So in my case, I normally set up payroll to occur on the 21st of every month, but you can go ahead and decide that as far as what date you want. And this can always be changed in the future as indicated here. So click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you're going to be recommended a package. This is the package that I'm on. It's just $46 a month. You're able to run unlimited payrolls in one state. You also have the ability to acquire W-2s and 1099s at the end of every year. You get basic support, which is good. I've sometimes contacted Gusto and they're absolutely fantastic. And you also get other insights and reporting. So $46 a month and then click on confirm and set up. Now, after that, you're going to need to do two things, okay? You need to actually set up your payroll timeline, and then you need to set up an employee profile. So in order to set up your payroll timeline, you're going to click on pay and then click on run payroll and then click on continue where it says add payroll details. So from this page, you simply need to fill out the prompts here. So fill out your address, federal tax info, filing address, bank account, pay schedule, and then sign. You fill out that information, you need to input an employee profile. So click on continue under here, and then you're going to be brought to this page here where it says create your own profile. So on this page here, you just need to fill out some basic information, okay? So first name, last name, start date, compensation, $60,000 per year. No, I'm not tax exempt. Then click on save and continue. And then from here, you just need to, again, fill out more employee info. So tax selections is afterwards, and then click on save and continue again. So follow the prompts from here. Now, depending on which state you're actually paying yourself from, you might need to fill out additional information, but that is essentially how you pay yourself from your company. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll instantly get $400. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.